Yes, hello guys! Welcome ulit sa channel ko. So, for today's video, pag-aralan natin how to factor general trinomial where a is equal to 1. So, take note that the general form of quadratic trinomial is written as ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are constants. Ibig sabihin, masasabi nating easy ang trinomial i-factor when the value of a is equal to positive 1 or negative 1. And that is given as a is equal to 1 or a is equal to negative 1. Or simply, pwede na lang natin siyang i-represent as x squared plus bx plus c. Let us have an example. So we have to factor x squared plus 7x plus 10. So take note, meron lang tayong susundin na 4 steps para ma-factor ang given natin na to. We have to get the factors of our constant. Or, kunin daw natin yung mga number na kapag minultiply natin, ang sagot ay yung ating constant or yung positive 10. So, meron tayong 2 different set. Isama na rin natin yung mga negative numbers. So, for example, we have 2 times 5, that is 10. 1 times 10. Then, after that, wala na. Then, on the other side, pwede rin naman nating sabihin na factor din niya si negative 2 times negative 5 and si negative 1 times negative 10. Since pag minultiply natin yan, that is also equal to positive 10. Okay, next. Step 2. After nating ilista ang factors ng ating constant or last term, we have to choose or piliin natin ano ba yung factor ni constant na kapag inadd natin, ang sagot ay yung ating middle term. So if we're going to check, 2 plus 5 is positive 7. Nakuha na kaagad natin. Pero bakit hindi yung pangalawa? Kasi yung pangalawa nating factor is 1 times 10. Or, pag inadd natin yung factors na yan, that is equal to 11. So, hindi yan yung hinahanap natin. And then, ito naman, pag inadd natin, that is negative 7. Then, ito ay negative 11. So, ibig sabihin, ito ang ating kukunin na factor, which is 2 times 5. Next step, pagkatapos nating hanapin yung factor niya na equal sa middle term kapag inadd, isusulat na natin siya as binomial factor. Ibig sabihin, 2. And then, since ang variable natin ay x, automatic na siya ay x sa first term. Then, kokopyahin lang natin yung factor na napili natin, which are positive 2 and positive 5. Ayan, ang ingay ng aso. Then, after that, ito na yung ating sagot. O bakit 4 steps? Kasi, kung nagdududa kayo sa sagot, pwede naman nating i-check using method of multiplying binomial by binomial. So, pwede natin gamitan ng FOIL, vertical, or distributive. So, checking. So, gagamitin ko na lang ay vertical para mas mabilis. X plus 2 multiplied by x plus 5. So, we have 5 times 2 is 10, positive. 5 times x is positive 5x. X times positive 2 is positive 2x. Both positive yan. Then, x times x is x squared. Then, add. So we have x squared. Since ito ay like terms, kaya natin inalign. So we have positive and positive. So add, copy the variable, then bring down 10. So dapat, yung kanyang product ay equal sa given. Ibig sabihin nun, tama ang ating sagot. Or yung ating factor. Anyway, this is just the method of checking. Baka kayo ay malito. Hindi po ito yung ating sagot. Ito yung ating pinakasagot, yung factor na hinihingi. For our number 2 given, we have x squared minus 2x minus 15. First step, follow ulit natin yung fourth step. So, negative 15. Always remember na kasama po yung sign sa ating titingnan. Kasi, para malaman natin ano ba yung mga factors. Okay, for negative 15, list natin. We have negative 5 times 3. So, dapat isang positive, isang negative. Para ang sagot natin, pag minultiply siya ay negative 15. Or, kunin na rin natin yung other set. Pwede rin naman na yung negative natin ay 3. And then yung positive ay 5. So, same na negative 15 ang kanya magiging sagot. Next is negative 1 times positive 15 or negative 15 times 1. So, bukod dyan, wala nang ibang factor si negative 15. Okay, step 2. Look at the numerical coefficient of our middle term. So, that is negative 2. Ibig sabihin, hahanapin natin ngayon sa listahan ng ating factors, ano ang kapag inad natin, merong sagot na negative 2. So, isa-isahin natin. So, for our first factor, nakuha na naman kaagad natin kasi we have negative 5 plus 3. So, pag magkaiba ng sign, mina-minus natin, then ikakopy natin yung sign ng mas malaking number. Ibig sabihin, pag inad natin to, the answer is negative 2. So, encircle na kaagad natin. Then, so ito na yung ating step 2. Napili na natin ano yung factor na pag inad ay negative 2. For our step 3, write the given as the binomial factor of x squared minus 2x minus 15. So, for the first term, meron tayong x times x. Then, copy. So, we have negative 5 and positive 3. In any order. Pwedeng x plus 3 muna, then x minus 5. The same lang po yun. Then, step 4, checking pa rin. So, ginagawa lang natin yung step 4 for us to make sure tama ba yung sagot natin o hindi. So, x minus 5, then x plus 3. So, 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. Then, 3 times x, positive pareho, so positive 3x. Next, x times negative 5 is negative 5x. X times x is x squared. Then, pag inad natin, bring down x squared. Ito naman ay magkaiba ng sign. So, ima-minus natin. Then, copy the sign of the higher number, which is negative 5. So, 5 minus 3 is 2. Copy the variable. Then, bring down 15. So, kung titingnan natin, yung ating sagot, when we multiply the factors, or yung sagot natin, that is the same sa ating given or sa problem. Meaning, this is correct. Example number 3. We have x squared plus 13x plus 12. Diretso na tayo. So, we have factors for 12. Positive. We have 1 times 12. 3 times 4. And then, 2 times 6. Then, pwede rin naman na negative 1 times negative 12, negative 3 times negative 4, negative 2 times negative 6. So, step 2, piliin na natin. Ang ating middle term ay positive 13. Ibig sabihin, factor na kapag inad natin, ang sagot ay positive 13. So, ito po yun. Bakit ba palagi ko nalalagay sa unahan yung sagot? So, we have positive 1 and positive 12. Write that as our binomial factor. So, we have x and x. Then, since positive pareho yan, positive 1 and positive 12. Ito na yung sagot. Then, checking. X plus 1 times x plus 12. So, we have 12 times 1 is 12. Then, 12 times x is positive 12x. Next is x times 1. We have positive x. X times x is x squared. Then add. So, we have x squared. Baba na natin yan. Positive pareho. So, positive yung sagot. Then, 12. Since wala tayong nakikitang numerical coefficient, take note na meron dyang 1 automatic. So, ibig sabihin, 12 plus 1, we have 13x. Next, bring down positive 12. So, ibig sabihin, ang ating sagot ay correct kasi nakuha natin na product ay yung ating given. Now, for our number 4 and number 5 given, gaya ng lagi nating ginagawa, I will let you try to answer and then I'll give you time or i-post nyo na lang ulit yung video para ma-check nyo kung nakuha nyo ba yung ating lesson. Okay, let us check. So, for number 4, we have x squared minus 9x plus 14. Ngayon, kung sanay na kayo, I'll give you tip. Hindi naman natin kailangan laging ilista 1 by 1 yung factors. Since meron na kayong sagot, so i-apply ko yon dito sa pagsasagot sa ating number 4 and sa number 5. So let's say for example, I have here positive 14. So ibig sabihin, ang mga factors ko dyan, 7 times 2, 1 times 14, and aside from that, wala na. So, dun sa dalawang factor na nabanggit ko, ang factor na kapag inad ko ay 9 is yung 2 times 7. Pero, take note na yung sign ko sa gitna ay negative. Ibig sabihin, pag inad ko dapat yung negative, yung 2 and 7, dapat negative 9. So, in short, yung factors na ginamit ay negative 2 times negative 7. So, diretso na. Pwede yon kapag sanay na kayo. Then, ang next step na kaagad ay yung paglilista as binomial factor. So, we have x times x. Then, negative 2, negative 7. Ito na ngayon yung ating sagot. So, kung meron tayong parehong sagot, I think na-check nyo na yan through the process of multiplying binomial by binomial. So, next is number 5. If we have negative 24, ang factor syempre natin ay 1 positive and 1 negative. Pero ano-ano ba yung mga number na yon? We have, mamaya na natin isipin yung kanyang positive and negative. Pag alam na natin yung combination ng numbers. So, ito yung tip para mas mapabilis. So, sa 24, ang factors dyan ay pwedeng 1 times 24, syempre, and 2 times 12, 3 times 8, and 4 times 6. So, yung mga pair of number na nabanggit ko, ano doon yung 5 kapag minus natin since ito ay negative. Ang factor natin ay automatic 1 positive and 1 negative. So, that is yung set na positive 8 times negative 3. So, ibig sabihin, ito kasi, dapat pag minus ko positive 5. So, ito yon. Pag kasi baliktad, ito yung negative, ito yung positive. Ito ay dapat negative 5. So, meaning, lista na natin siya as binomial factor. We have x times x then plus 8 and negative 3. So, the same. I think nakuha nyo na siya through the process of checking. So, yun lang guys, ang step-by-step procedure kung paano mag-multiply ng general trinomial where a is equal to 1. Tandaan, meron lang tayong sinunod na 4 steps. Sana marami kayong natutunan sa tutorial na to. So, thank you guys for watching.